Christopher Clarke of Gaslands, NorCal sent me a box of stuff. Got Carnage? So let's take a look at this. I've opened the box already. Sent a letter. And I think that'll work. Jim, thanks so much for letting me be a part of the challenge. I had a blast. Christopher, Gaslands, NorCal. So let's see what he sent. He sent some stickers, Gaslands, NorCal stickers, which are cool. And some keychains with the Gaslands logo on it. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Maybe that reflection kind of shows it. So that's pretty cool. Move the padding out of the way. Let's see what's in here. Okay, didn't expect that. It's a Gaslands build with a logo on it. My logo. That's great. That is great. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that at all. That's too cool. That is great. I love that. Let's see what this is. Oh, he took the keychain that was in the box and Gaslanded that out. That turned out cool. That turned out really cool. I was curious, like, what would be done with it, how it would turn out. I think that's it. I think the rest is padding. All right, make sure this padding, I have to say, I've ordered spray paint and this has arrived wrapped around the can. It's cool padding. Well, these are great. I'll do some glamour shots of these so you can see them a little better. But yeah, I didn't expect that at all. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting anything. I don't ask anybody to send anything. So it was a surprise when the box showed up. And I certainly didn't expect the Silva team Gaslands build. Well, thanks, Christopher. I will do some glamour shots on this video too. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Christopher.